guys doing out there, huh? Whew. Brr, baby. It is very chilly. It's not that cold out, like temperature wise. It's just like wet. That wet. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So I'm going in the grocery store first because I gotta get some cash because the post office where I live only takes cash. You still see a lot of check writing here, like a lot of check writing here. So anyway, I'm so excited for my dog. Do you think I'll do it? An unboxing, okay? Look, it's working just fine. So I put some tabs. So you're either really into this saga or you're like, beep, shut your mouth. I am gonna get some cash. I don't feel like taking even this whole thing in there. Masters of the universe. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my gosh. This doesn't work very well for me anyway because it's like, I like this hard situation just sucks. So I'm hoping that my new setup is everything I've dreamt of. Okay, just gonna grab a couple quick things and then off to the post office. Yeah. Okay, I got some cash and we're gonna grab the box. I wasn't sure how much it was gonna cost, so I just got $60 cash back. Such a good boy. Are you helping today? Yeah? Are you helping today? Yeah? Rare? Yeah. Yes, I know. No. Let's not pet yourself on the camera. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, yay. What? What is it, bud? that one out and find the center. Slide this one in. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay. So I want to slide ye under here, I guess. Oh, she gonna be chunky. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, well, here she is. I wasn't saying much during my unboxing because I was overwhelmed with joy, and I'm really glad I filmed it because now I get to relive that joy every time I watch my video. But I thought I would just share my initial thoughts and what I've done with her so far. So I love the way she feels and I like the way she smells, so that's great. I have this here and I have some change in here for whatever I might need that for. This is my driver's license and my debit card back here, and then I have this front and center because it's gorgeous and I love her. I've got some other cards back here, and then this first one is going to be kind of just a catch-all for thoughts and things that I want to write down during the day. So I love this. It says, some of you are wandering love letters and you don't even realize it. You're lighting up rooms, shifting atmospheres, and carrying inspiration just by being you. Such a precious gift. So, and then just, yeah, when things I hear them or they come to me, I'm like, gonna write it down. So that's what I'm gonna do in here. And then my second one, these are passion planner stickers and I really wish they stuck better. I might have to like cover this with tape. But this inside here is one of the dotted journals, and I decided to use it as a check register because that was actually one of my big reasons for wanting this, is to use it like a wallet and be more on top of my spending. So I have some receipts that I need to record, and then in the front I've made a check register, and that's what we're going to do with the middle section. And I like the idea of having a clip here. Right now I just have this plain clip that I had sitting around, but I like the idea of clipping that because it's private information, and it also helps hold the receipts in. I did get this, hilariously, I'm stowing my extra parts in here, but I did get this guy, and I don't really think I like it. It's kind of stiff, and I don't know, we'll see. We'll see as I get more comfortable if I want to use that or not. But for now, I just clip this closed. This one is just one of the, it came with the 3 plain, and then I bought 3 dotted ones. And I have some little notebooks at work that I have my fingers crossed will work in here. And it's a dotted lined one, so I might put that one in here just for like to-do lists and grocery lists and things like that. And then I love this zipper pocket. This is my favorite so far. I have a little, in here, charm. That was an earring actually. So just so you know, it did cost $27.25 to mail that package, not $60. And what else? Oh, I have some cards back here, and then I really like this pen loop. I'm just kind of basic with my pens, although I did get some fountain pens, just disposable ones to try. But for now, I'll have that in here. So yeah, I really like it. She's thick, if somebody can break it down for me, I'm having a hard time getting this to stay where she's supposed to stay, but I really don't care. I mean, it's fine. I'm so smitten with this thing. I told my husband I can see myself wanting the elongated version, but for now, I'm going to just use this and my passion planner that I'm committed to for this year, but I could see myself using this in the future, the bigger one, as like a planner. But this is definitely gonna be the everyday carry, as the kids say. But yeah, I'm really, really excited about it. I'm really, really excited about it. Super pumped.
Chick, chick, chick. Oh, look at her go. Good boy.
She running.
There you go.
Nice kid. Yummy.
That was Bernadette running, wasn't it? Yeah.
They are just
Hi.
gorgeous.
Anybody ready to be pet? Oh no, that was Bernadette.
Oh. You guys all just coming over? She can't have the spotlight. Wee chicks. Now they're just like, great. What you doing? Look at. Okay. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hi. I love you. I love you.